Hello, welcome to my new video. Nowadays, Google Merchant Center account suspended for misrepresentation and website needs improvement. Today, I will share my experience how to fix your Google Merchant Center account suspension, misrepresentation, and website needs improvement. So, first of all, why misrepresentation? Misrepresentation means on your website you have any fake information or wrong information. Just find out this. So, which step you need to focus? First of all, your business all details real. Your website design must be good. Your product data must be correct and description also unique. If you use any description copy from another website, then it also trigger for misrepresentation. Another one is your product price must be same on your website and web merchant center. Your website have contact us page where you have business mail, address, phone number, etc. Same to same on your Google Merchant Center account, added all information perfectly. Like this, here is the business details. The next one is your website loading speed must be good. Mobile optimization is also helpful for fix your GMC. About us section must be unique and added all real data on your business in about us page. If you just copy from about us another business, then it also trigger. The another most important is use ChatGPT for edit your all content, but Google also know you just write this all content from ChatGPT. So be patient, be unique and professional. Now Google Meta Center not fixed because your website have any wrong information. So they not allow for shopping ads. The another most important thing is your website all policy pages must be added, like your shipping policy, return and refund policy. Shipping policy and return policy also same to same added on your Google Merchant Center account. If you have real business address, then I recommended you create Google My Business profile and added all details from your website. All are same and real. So here is the solution for fix Google Merchant Center account suspension misrepresentation. If you need any help, contact with me for fix your Google Merchant Center account. Now I will share experience for fix Google Merchant Center website needs improvement. Website needs improvement. Why? Because on your website you have any placeholder images, any broken links, and your business details not real, or your product data not matching from your website, and your business loading speed. So if you fix all, then your Google Merchant Center account suspension website needs improvement also fixed. So on also I also share a a lot of more details for fix website and its improvement. So when you go to your website, your policy pages, then here is any extra space or your spelling not good, product content unique, and your website have no social media link. So this is very important for fix both suspension like misrepresentation and website improvement. Actually, social media account helps you grow your trust for your business. So I recommend you follow my tips for fix your Google Market Center account. Now, a lot of drop shipper create website, everything all okay, but in Market Center they're not approval because um, they not use their real information. And if possible, uh, when you create your domain, then add it your real data, because when you see your website then whois.com, then here already show it your business information, it's good site, and your business needs track order pages as like your e-commerce business, uh, which is important for your business. So after all completed, then wait 1 days or 24 hours, then submit for fix your Google Market Center account. I am Bidhan. Last 6 years, I also worked for Google Market Center account and Google Ads. So if you needs any help for fix your Google Market Center account and for Google Ads, then I will do my best for your business. So this video, I think it will be helpful for you fix GMC. So thank you so much for watch this video. Subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.